Okay, I'm going to show you a little tip what I do with chickens. I start them off young with a slice of bread. Watch this. If you take a slice of bread and hold it up in the air, you can herd your chickens to anywhere you want to in the yard, get them back in the coop without any hesitation. They'll just follow that bread and devour it. And there's also other benefits to this. I noticed that when I feed a couple pieces of bread to my chickens in the wintertime, the hens lay more than they normally would. So your first year chickens are going to lay in the winter. Your second year chickens maybe not so much. Third year chickens maybe not so much. But if you feed them a couple slices of bread every day, which is really cheap, doesn't cost you hardly anything. I mean, you're talking what, $1, $2 at Walmart or whatever store you go to for a loaf of bread? Yeah, a couple pieces of bread, nothing. You can get the chickens to do anything you want them to do when you feed them bread. They'll come running at you. When I let my chickens free range, when I want to bring them into the coop, all I do is wave a piece of bread, and usually the rooster gets there first. He's really big and looks like a big turkey coming at you. Pretty scary, actually, if you think about it. But they'll run straight into that coop when you throw the bread in, and they won't even think twice. Even a rooster doesn't think twice. Bread is a wonderful thing to get used to for taking care of your chickens, because I've noticed that I get more eggs in the wintertime from my hens, feeding them a couple slices of bread a day. And they'll do anything you want them to do for that piece of bread. See how they're devouring this thing? They're going nuts. They love bread. So I train them when they're baby chicks to eat bread. No, it's not going to hurt them. They'll be just fine. They love bread. Alright, that's my little tip today about taking care of chickens and how to control them.